Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we're talking about Walmart and Apple Pay, and more specifically we're going to answer the question, can you use Apple Pay at Walmart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Apple Pay, it is one of the most popular payment options right now. Basically what happens is you can add credit cards into your Apple Wallet on your phone, and then once you do that, then you can use the credit card with your phone at the terminal. And you don't even need your plastic card. Basically, they will communicate with your phone and the register terminal, so you can leave your credit card at home, make a payment, no problem at all. So here's the app right here. It's Apple Wallet. It's nothing that you have to download. It's already pre-installed into your iPhone. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check the video description. I'll leave a link to my other video that shows you how to get that set up. But I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. Alright, I went ahead and opened up the app, and as you can see, here's my wallet, and I have various credit cards attached to my Apple Pay wallet. But let's go ahead and jump into that question. Can you use it at Walmart? Well, the short answer is no. No, you cannot use it at Walmart, unfortunately, at this time. I'm recording this video at the end of 2019. So I went to Walmart yesterday to buy a new set of Apple AirPods. And I have been trying to use the Apple Wallet pretty often just because it's a nice feature. I don't have to actually bring my wallet with me. And the funny thing is, I was buying an Apple product, but they do not accept Apple Pay at the register. So when I went to the register, let me go ahead and switch over to that video. As you can see right here, it looks like it's a newer terminal that you can use Apple Pay or Samsung Pay or Google Pay or whatever. And with this terminal, you cannot. I asked the person who was working there if they do have any plans to switch that over. He worked in the electronics section. He said he's not aware of anything in the future that Walmart will accept Apple Pay. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. It would be an easy way to make payments to Walmart when you're in there buying something. Also, another thing I want to note is, as I was doing research for this video to see if Walmart might be rolling that out sometime soon, I did notice that Walmart has their own Walmart Pay system that they rolled out. Be sure to check the video description. I'm going to try to leave a link to my video about Walmart Pay there, but it's possible in my research that maybe Walmart does not want to allow Apple Pay because they are trying to roll out their own particular system with QR codes. If you know more about that, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. Also, another thing I want to note is there are a lot of retailers that say they do not accept Apple Pay. However, they do have the newer terminal that has that technology. I think it's NFC or near field, something like that. I forgot what it's called. If you know, leave it in the comments below. But there are terminals out there that say they do not accept Apple Pay when in fact they do have that technology. One of the retailers that I saw was Home Depot. So I thought that maybe Walmart would be possibly one of these retailers where they don't vocally say they accept Apple Pay. But when I went there to the terminal though, they did not accept it. I actually did try to put my Apple Wallet close to the terminal to see if it turned on, and it did not. So it's not an option at this time. If you happen to be watching this video in the future and Walmart did roll that out, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But to answer the question, basically no, you cannot use Apple Pay at Walmart, at least not the one that I went to here in California at this time. But hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.